Hey everybody, I'm back. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is, this is a video how I install my my L part wigs. Well, today I'm doing the one about the L part wig. So as you see, I have me a little dome cap thing going on. I leave my little edges out, the little bit I got left from all them darn sew-ins. That's why I'm basically doing this thing here. But anyway, I have my part there, and I have the rest of my hair left out. I have prepped my hair with some grease already. Before I put gel on my hair, I'll put grease on it. So, and the unit I'm using today is my infamous Long Secret wig that I bought from Beauty of New York. And it's an L part wig. I put concealer there to make it look natural. Concealer, foundation, whatever it is. I don't know, because I don't put makeup on my skin, so I can't really tell you what it is. So I don't know, a new color makeup. I'm using this comb. You don't really have to use a comb, just gonna just slather it on there. But this is just what I do, probably what I do. So especially when I can't find my brush. So I comb it, I comb it through it. There's some gel from on there. And I get it all good and moisturized. Not put too much gel on it. Just enough. I'm gonna take a little bit of that off. About that much. Comb through there. That's just how I do mine. Everybody do theirs differently. You know. But this is how mine always look so natural, look like a sew-in. So it may look like I'm using a lot of gel, but I'm really not. Not by a long shot. The gel I'm using is this one. Softy Clean and Clear Protein Styling Gel. Super Freeze. So I haven't put really any product on this. Ain't no really any. I haven't put no product on this hair actually at all. My end's trying to get a little tangle there. I think I need to get me a wide teeth comb to try to comb out the ends a little bit. So this is what I do. I have it really tight already as it is, because you know it comes with 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. It's adjustable straps, no comb in the back. So I push that forward. My part is going to be here. Throw it back. Line that part up with that part. And we finna work it. I probably should have got my mirror if I can look, because me using my phone look kind of crazy. And then we're just gonna comb it up in there. I'm gonna get a little closer so I can see better. And then when I blend it, it all blends together really good. My combs are, there they go. Push them combs down in them braids. Yeah, I have braids underneath my dome cap, by the way. And I comb my hair until the little curl pattern has and it's already looking wavy looking. And then I do the same on this side. Let's make that a little more defined. And that's basically how I do it. I usually always have my part on this side, but I mean on this side, yeah. So you droop on this side, but I put it on this way today. And I'm not really doing much with my face today besides a little gloss. And that is how I install my L parts. I'm probably not trying to do my eyebrows on video. I'm not used to doing them on looking at my phone. And that is all I do. Nothing too major. And then you can just pull it up. Hold on, matter of fact, I'm going to do that. Bam, 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 bam. And all my hair is blended with this pretty hair. And that is how I install my L part wigs. Not L part. Yeah, it's a visible L part wig. There. So there we have it, you guys. And then I usually take like a little smaller piece and let it dangle in the front. I normally do that when I have my what you call it, when I have it in the middle. I'm trying to set my phone back up. But yeah, I normally do that when I have it hang the part in the middle. So hope you like that, how I installed that. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to do a way better one. I might mirror everything set up so you can see that. But everything always blends very, very nicely. You don't have to always put them so full to the front. Like, you can tell it's wig. You pull a little bit of your edge style. Make it look more, you know, Natural. So, I'll tell you guys next time. But you will see this fixing most likely finna see me in a minute, because I'm finna make my next video on this wig, my styling on a budget series. I haven't did it for this hair yet, but I just wanted to come show you how I install my wig. And I guess you got a little brief update of how I do my eyebrows. So, talk to you in a minute. And don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment. Follow me on Instagram at Mrs. Redbone2010. The same name as my YouTube name. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.